So hello guys, welcome back to another charting analysis, and in this session we are going to discuss how did I take this Bitcoin USD trade. Okay, so first of all let me tell you, actually this is my first trade in Bitcoin. Okay, and I was just wandering around to see like what is happening in Bitcoin and how it's different from the other forex pairs or maybe gold trading, right? I discovered that with one of my friend, I discovered that actually this Bitcoin, it kind of doesn't follow the kill zone thing. Okay, so like when it comes to gold and something. Okay, so if I show you gold, okay, so basically there is a particular time period which I have to wait for my setup to form, right? But generally in this Bitcoin, actually I don't have something like this. Okay, so there is no particular kill zone or something. If I discover some time factor in Bitcoin, I'll let you know. Okay, I'll watch some videos on YouTube and then I need to get some information if things like this work or not. Okay, so anyways, I saw this trade, right? I'll explain you how did I took this trade. This trade is around kind of, you can say, 1 is to 5. Okay, it's 4.9, so yeah, you can say it to be 1.1 is to 5. Okay, now let's go on a 1 hour time frame, right? And we saw that on a 1 hour time frame, let's go on a daily time frame, see what is actually happening. Now on a 1 hour time frame, the market was exactly at this point, right? I'll delete everything first of all. This particular day candle that is formed yet, it was not formed. So basically the market touched that point and it didn't take out the high of this point, also didn't take out the high of this point. So it means there are very good chances that the price, when it is trying to retrace, the price is going to bounce back from that point. Okay, now let's go on a 4 hour time frame. Now you can see the price went back to that position. Go on 1 hour, it's better, right? And you can see, so these are the two highs. Okay, this first high, even the market didn't take out this first high and then it went down. Got it? Now the market went down. What happened? So when the market went down and this high was never taken, it means some buy side liquidity is built. Okay, now if buy side liquidity is built, let's go on a shorter time frame to see if we could find any kind of buy entries. Also, if I go on a 3 minute time frame, let's go on a 3 minute time frame. That is what we need to do. This video is going to be really short. Okay, I don't have much moving parts in this trade, so yeah, fine. And we can see while the market rejected from this point, it is gyrating at this point. While it was gyrating at this point, it was trying to build the buy side liquidity at this point. Okay, so buy sell liquidity is being built at this point. Now the market was going lower and lower. So before, and there was a sudden high in the market, right? And there is one setup I found in here as well. Not me, okay. There's one of my friend who was actually looking all this. So there's one structure. So you can see it was moving downwards. Then there is shift in market structure. The price went back to the order block, okay. And then there was an entry, and yes, it gave the liquidity. So yeah, buy sell liquidity was taken. But we are right now at this point. So the market was going higher. Before the market wants to take some buy side liquidity out, it is collaborating, it is collecting some, it is doing some accumulation, right? So now the market is going down. Okay, now this particular trade you can see, okay, actually all of the lows are being taken out. So somebody who's already in the market, and they have set their stop loss at this point, maybe limit orders at this point, all of these orders have been taken out. Right now, if this orders had taken out, I have tried this structure for the very first time because I have been seeing this structure work for a lot of time. Okay, what structure am I talking about? Can you see this three candle formation? So this down close candle which creates a fair value gap, right, in the downward direction. Then there is a like less informative candle which is not in the another direction, not in the positive direction. Kind of, it's a small candle, right? And then there is another candle which creates a fair value gap, right? Okay, fair value gap in the downward direction, fair value gap in the upward direction. I think you call it CB or BC. Okay, so there's CB and then there is BC formed. So as soon as the downward direction of fair value gap is formed, there's an upward direction in the fair value gap that gets formed, which inverts the previous fair value gap. Can you see the fair value gap from this point kind of exactly matches from the fair value gap of this point? Okay, so now let's see. I'll show you. So now I'll say, yeah, you have this. So this is the downward direction fair value gap, right? Okay, and so this is what this is we call as CB. Okay, this is downward direction fair value gap, but when the market again came back up, it inverted the fair value gap. Okay, now if the fair value gap was inverted, let's see. Okay, so the fair value gap is now inverted and we call it BC. Now the common area between them, so can you see the common area between them? Tell me. The common area between them is this one. Yeah, this thing. Okay, at this zone the price is going to come back and reject, and has a higher chance of getting rejected from that point. So now, yes, this is the point, and let me just put it down. Okay, okay, I put my entry in, and can you see how well it is? The bodies are exactly respecting that thing, right? So yes, I got my entry at this point. Now somewhere at the entry, where is that? Yeah, I got my entry at this point. Okay, I set my stop loss at this point. Now where should I set my target, right? Actually, I didn't knew there was a higher time frame buy side liquidity. See, right now I'm saying you that okay, these two lines are there, but in the morning I didn't know that there is a buy side liquidity. Plus, if I go on a 15-minute time frame, right? I don't want to take any kind of risk. So if I go on a 1 hour time frame, you can see that same CRT structure. So fairly gap created, fairly gap downward was formed. Okay, but just because this CRT structure is formed, it doesn't mean this will form. Can you see? This candle doesn't close beyond this point. And second thing is that actually our bias was not in that direction. So yes, sometimes if you see this kind of structure, yes, it's not going to work. There must be some price narrative behind what the price needs to do. Okay, so yes, this structure was found, but yeah, there is no confirmation that okay, the price should go down because there are no buy side liquidity. The buy side liquidity is already taken from this particular structure. So yes, there are no buy side liquidity to be taken. Got it? Already it was taken. So there is a buy side sweep. Let me tell you. Before I form this structure, there is a shift. Sorry, there is a sweep in the sell side liquidity. Okay, sell side sweep. Got it? Now it was about where should I set the target. So actually I didn't knew that these buy side liquidities were there. So this buy side liquidity, because it's a strong buy side liquidity, one high and the another high which doesn't take out this high. So it's a buy side liquidity that is formed and they are kind of equal, and also this high. So I don't think the market should go on that point. So if I would have noted this thing down, okay, in that case if I would have noted this thing down, I could have taken my entry exit at this point, right, and could have gained around 5.45. But yeah, I didn't knew about this. Okay, and I only set my target till this buy side liquidities. Okay, so yes, I took this trade around, if I show you the what do you call it, yeah, so Bitcoin. Okay, I think you can see this, right? Bitcoin April, then bullish, these are the thing. And I checked the timing, it was 15:03. It means 3:03. Okay, and 3:03 means I'll say 3 p.m. I took the trade according to this. We are in the New York PM session. Okay, and we got a win. Buy sell liquidity and the CRT I used. So all of these things, what is my take on the trade? Okay, that's it. So it took around 7 hours or something, 52 minutes or something for the trade to go in our direction. Okay, 15-minute candles, you can see that, right? Now it took around 15 minutes, right, and we took this buy sell liquidity out, and I think that is it for the day. And also you can see that the whole buy sell liquidity has been taken out. Can you see that the whole buy sell liquidity gets taken out? So there is a fall in the market structure, but I am not willing to take any sell side liquidity. It's really hard. Okay, I'll wait for any buy side opportunity that is formed. Only then I'll take the trade. Okay, so buy side liquidity is taken. So yes, we'll call it that the buy side sweep has happened. Okay, let me just put this point. This is buy side sweep, and this buy side has also been swept. This buy side is only swept a little bit, but not much. But I want, because it's on a higher time frame, it should be swept way beyond this point. Okay, so I think that is it for this trade. Okay, and you can see the trade on this 3-minute time frame. That's it. Okay, this is a trade we took, and it's a longer time. We didn't take it on a kill zone timing. That's it. Yeah. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Keep studying. Keep trading. Bye bye.